Hello guys, welcome to the third session of the API.AI tutorials for the beginner. In this session we will see what is agent and create our first agent. Agent are just module of your application. Agent are transferring the user request to the actionable data, and intent perform this transformation. Intent are specified by the developer. Let's switch to the browser. I am already logged in as per the previous session. To create a new agent, we need to click on the create agent button at the top. If you got prompt like this, then you need to give the permission for that. Here we need to specify the various details about the agent. Start with the agent name. You can choose the any name. Not that it should not contain the any space. I'm going to use the my app as a name. My app. Next is a description. You can specify the brief description for that bot you are going to create. I am writing my app for basic understanding of API.AI. Next dropdown contain the some predefined data that you can use in the our bot. I'm going to create the empty bot so you can understand it easily. Next dropdown is for the language that use in the your bot. As I said previously, it support the various language. Not that you cannot change the language after creating the agent. I'm going with the English. Next is for the time zone. It is very useful because sometime you may want to retrieve the time from the user. I am going to select the GMT plus 5:30 for Indian time zone. If you have Google Cloud account and have any project, then you will see the drop down like this. We can import our existing project from the Google to here. I want to create a new project instead of importing existing one. So remain it blank and click on the save button. Our agent is created and by default it has two intent. From here we can manage the intent, entity and the fulfillment for that agent. We will see all those in the later session. To customize the agent, click on the gear icon. From here we can change the name of the agent as well as the description, time zone and the icon for the our agent. Here is a link to the Google Cloud project. This dashboard will be useful to you if you already know how to use the Google Cloud. For API.AI we does not need any extra knowledge. API.AI will manage everything for us. Here is API keys. It will be useful when we will use the SDK to create our own client. You can also delete the agent too. But I don't want to delete it right now, so I am cancelling it. ML setting contains the setting for the machine learning. It can be a hybrid or the ML only. Hybrid will be useful when you have the small number of intent, and ML only will be useful when you have a large number of the intent. We will see more detail about the ML in the later session. From import and export tab, we can export the data of the agent, replace with the current agent, and create a new agent from the zip. From the set tab, we can set our agent with the other user and also assign the role for the user, whether he or she will be a developer or the only reviewer. Let's see what we are learning in this session. We see what is the agent. One agent may contain the multiple intent and the multiple entities and fulfillment. Then we have created an agent by specifying the required details such as the agent name, description, sample data, language, time zone, and the import from the existing Google Cloud project. Then we saw the various settings for the agent after creating it. Then we see the various settings for the agent after creating it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.